Welcome to Kuki Decor, where we celebrate the beauty of wood, design, and creativity in ways that transform ordinary spaces into works of art. Today, we are diving into one of the most fascinating furniture designs of our time, the live edge river table. These tables are more than just functional pieces of furniture. They are living, breathing statements of artistry, where nature's raw beauty meets human craftsmanship. In this video, I'll take you on a journey through the world of live edge river tables, exploring how they are made, what makes them unique, and how they can completely transform your home into a warm, inviting sanctuary. Imagine a slab of wood cut in a way that preserves its natural edge, those curves, those knots, those uneven lines, all things that remind us of the tree it came from. Now imagine pairing that with a flowing river of resin in colors that evoke everything from a rushing mountain stream to the deep blues of the ocean. Together, they form the live edge river table, a centerpiece that bridges the natural and the modern, the rustic and the refined. Whether you place one in your dining room, your office, or as a coffee table in your living space, it becomes an instant conversation starter. A piece that pulls people closer and makes them feel connected to nature. There's something deeply symbolic about these tables. They tell a story of time, the years that wood has spent growing, enduring storms, and soaking in sunlight, only to be reborn into a new life as part of your home. The resin river isn't just a filler, it's a continuation of that story, flowing between the wooden banks like life itself, adding depth, brilliance, and a sense of movement. Every table is one of a kind, because no two pieces of wood are ever the same. That uniqueness is what makes them so captivating. You're not just getting furniture, you're bringing a piece of the earth's memory into your home. And the versatility. That's another part of the magic. If you prefer a rustic look, you might choose a lighter wood with raw textures and a translucent resin that lets the natural grain shine through. For a modern, sleek vibe, darker woods paired with metallic or deep blue resin create a bold, elegant contrast. These tables adapt to your vision. They can be subtle and earthy, or bold and dramatic, depending on how you design them. Hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest inspirations. We bring you creative woodcraft ideas, rustic meets modern designs, and timeless pieces that inspire your home and lifestyle. All right, let's continue. When it comes to crafting a live edge river table, the process itself is as inspiring as the finished product. It all begins with the wood. Makers often seek slabs with striking character. Those imperfections that would normally be discarded become the very features that give the table life. Cracks, splits, uneven textures, they are not flaws, they are the starting point of something extraordinary. After carefully preparing the slab, artisans place the two live edges facing each other with a gap in between, which will eventually become the river. Then comes the resin, a pour that fills that void and transforms the empty space into flowing beauty. The resin itself is like liquid art. Clear, smoky, or colored with pigments that shimmer in the light, it creates depth that draws your eyes in. Some even embed stones, shells, or metallic flakes to mimic nature even more. Once it hardens, the entire surface is sanded and polished until it's perfectly smooth, seamlessly blending wood and resin into one breathtaking piece. The result is a table that's durable, practical, and absolutely mesmerizing to look at. But let's pause for a moment here, because this isn't just about making furniture, it's about connection. Every time you sit at a live edge river table, you're sitting at a story. The wood is nature's history, the resin is the artist's imagination, and together they create a narrative that belongs to your home. That's the kind of magic that inspires us at Kuki Decor, finding ways to take what nature has given us and elevating it into something that feels timeless, meaningful, and beautiful. And if you're enjoying this journey, let me remind you once more, subscribing to our channel is the best way to stay connected. Hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of design lovers who believe that homes should be filled with character, creativity, and natural beauty. Let's talk about the impact these tables can have in different spaces. In a dining room, a large live edge river table immediately becomes the heart of the home. It invites family and friends to gather, share meals, and create memories around something that feels alive. In a living room, a smaller version, a coffee table or side table, becomes a piece of art you can use every day, blending seamlessly into both rustic and contemporary interiors. For offices, a sleek river desk combines functionality with inspiration, reminding you that workspaces don't have to feel sterile, they can be warm, creative, and motivating. So as we wrap up, remember this: a live edge river table isn't just furniture, it's a masterpiece that blends nature, craftsmanship, and creativity into something timeless. It can transform your dining room, elevate your living space, or inspire you in your workspace. Thank you so much for watching today's video here on Kuki Decor ***. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of live edge river tables, give this video a thumbs up, it really helps us grow. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Would you go for a rustic, natural design, or a sleek, modern river table? Share your thoughts below. I always enjoy reading your ideas. And of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our latest inspirations. Until next time, keep celebrating the beauty of wood and the stories it tells. I'll see you in the next video.